Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. So today I have brought you the most requested video about increasing watch time. Last time when I made a vlog about that how I did monetization so fast in 4 months. Actually it was some people do it faster than me, but I've managed to do it in 4 months. So many people requested me to make a vlog about that how to increase the watch time because they struggle with that. So today I have made a vlog about that, and I hope it will help you in all the ways. So that is why I will be making it in English as well as in Hindi. First, if you want to increase your watch time, then please, this is actually the most of the vloggers are doing this mistake, and I hope they know this fact that they have to create their own content. If you're just copying the video of someone else and just posting it as on your vlog, then it doesn't constitute as your own content, and then YouTube doesn't include it in your watch time. And even if there is a copyright, you get a strike as for a copyright, then also it will not constitute for your monetization. Yeah, they will not delete the video, but sometimes they do the objection that they will not consider it for monetization. So be careful about that thing. Second, I will say that please do watch other YouTuber channels, because when you post a comment about, go to the other YouTube channels and post your comment, and then the other YouTuber will also watch your vlog. That is how, and if you're watching it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even watching the full vlog, then that other vlogger will also support you, and that is how we will all increase our watch time in a mutual way. And actually initially I did a mistake of this, that I thought that I will watch the video of only those vloggers who are posting comment on my channel, and then that is a mistake, because then I realized that what if the other vloggers are also waiting for that if Priya will come to my channel, only then they will post a comment on my channel, right? Then they will watch my vlog if I will watch their vlog. So who starts first? So better you start first. And it happens with me also, that sometimes I watch a vlogger's channel and the vlogger doesn't return the favor back. It happens, and I'm telling you, because it happens with everyone. We think that it is happening with us only, other vloggers don't face the same problem. We all are facing the same problem. So if your vlog is, watch the video, 3-4 videos of a vlogger, and if he or she is not returning the favor, then stop watching it. I know it involves lot of work, lot of hard work, lot of patience, and it is time consuming process, but you have no other choice. You have to go to other YouTubers and watch their vloggers, so that they watch your vlog, and your watch time increases according to that. And please do that, because I have seen many vloggers who don't visit other vlogger channels, and their content is very good, but then other vlogger also stop watching their vlogs, and then they don't get the watch time, and they don't get so many views. My third tip is that we live chats. Actually, I never used this option because I never had the time for live chats, and my idea was that for live chats you have to sit for 1-2 hours, and then the other person, you have to talk with the people. But I have seen so many people just doing live chats, silent live chats. They just keep the computer on for 1 or 2 hours, and the people subscribe to each other in meanwhile on the chat section or something like that. So live chats are actually a very good option to gaining subscriber also, and to gaining watch time also, because if 10 people are attending your live chat session, then 10 people into 1 hour, for 1 hour, then it will be your 10-hour watch time you will be increased. So this is the most effective way of increasing watch time, to have live chat sessions with your subscribers. Other people will also help you, because they gain the subscribers through it, and you will also be gaining your watch time. So I didn't do it, but I think you are free to go, and you can use this option. I'm saying all these tips keeping in mind that you are also focusing on your content, that your content is good, it is appealing, and you are making useful content, because only then your watch time will increase, if the other people will be interested in watching your vlogs. And to be very honest, I like each one of your vlogs. I really like watching them. Sometimes I don't have time to watch as such, but then after some time when I have on a weekend or something, then I again play your vlog and then I watch your vlog because I really like the content. And if you don't like someone's vlogs, suppose one of the person, he requested me subscription request, and it was obscene content. I didn't want to watch it even with my kids or even on my own. It was like, I didn't like the content, so I didn't subscribe to the channel. So also be careful about that if you don't like the content of the vlogger, then just don't subscribe to them. And just for one subscriber or for 5-minute watch time of someone, don't ruin your conscience, your moral values. I hope you liked my tips, and if you did, please hit the like button. Share me in the comment box what are your tips to increase the watch time, because we as a community whole should be benefited from these tips. After monetization, road is also not easy. It is just a milestone that you achieve, but after then there is more hard work involved. There is more negative some feelings come along, but I want you to first achieve this milestone as soon as possible. And I will see you in my next vlog. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.